So here's my DIY setup. If you want to make boxes with dovetail keys like this was just a sample of the first ones I made. Without spending $330 or so for the full setup, make your own out of some scrap plywood that you got laying around. Right there's the way it works. You just set your box in and make your cut, and then you have the dovetail key slot. Then you have to make the dovetail keys, of course. That'll be in my next jig that I make. With this setup, you just use a quarter cable style bushing. That way you can ride your slot that you cut out perfectly. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. God bless.